Let's be honest, most of us treat our phones like digital vaults. Every holiday, every birthday, every random funny moment, every important file, it all ends up there. And that feels fine until something goes wrong. Maybe the phone gets lost, maybe it gets stolen, maybe it falls, breaks, and never turns on again. Or maybe you just run out of storage at the worst possible time, right when you're trying to capture something important. See, the bigger problem is that by the time most people start thinking seriously about backup, they've already had a scare. A full storage warning, an accidental delete, a login issue with a cloud account, or just that sinking feeling that too much of life is sitting on one device. And that's really what makes this conversation worth having, because our phones are now where a huge part of our lives live. Photos, videos, scanned documents, downloaded files, work folders, voice notes, and even family archives, it adds up very quickly. The usual answer, of course, is cloud storage. And to be fair, cloud storage is convenient, but it also comes with trade offs. Usually, there's a monthly fee. Often, you end up needing more storage over time. And in many cases, you're also trusting someone else's platform with a huge chunk of your personal data. That's where something like the Synology BeeStation Plus starts to make a lot of sense. The BeeStation Plus is essentially a personal storage hub designed for people who want a simpler way to keep their files, photos, and videos backed up and accessible without diving into something overly technical. And that simplicity matters because traditionally, when people hear things like network storage or private backup, they assume it's going to be complicated. They imagine a difficult setup process, lots of settings, and a product meant for only enthusiasts or IT professionals. The BeeStation Plus is trying to be the opposite of just that. The idea here is straightforward. Plug this in, connect it to your router, set it up using the app, and start using it as your private storage space. In this case, you get 8 TB of storage, which is a serious amount of room for most households. That means photos, 4K videos, personal files, project folders, phone backups, and more, all in one place. And I think that's an important distinction here: private storage. Because the appeal of a device like this isn't just that it gives you more space, it's that it gives you more control over where your data lives and how you access it. One of the most practical use cases is smartphone backup. This is probably where a lot of people will immediately see the benefit. Phones fill up fast, especially if they are being used to shoot lots of photos and videos. With a setup like this, the idea is that your photos and videos can be backed up automatically, so you're not constantly managing storage manually, deleting old files or moving things around in panic before a trip or an event. And that changes the relationship people have with storage. Instead of treating every photo like something that has to compete for limited storage on a phone, you have a system that quietly handles the archive side of things for you. It's also useful beyond just photos. A lot of people today are juggling files across multiple devices: a phone, a laptop, maybe a tablet, maybe even a shared family computer. When files are scattered across all of those, it becomes messy very quickly. Having one central piece for files can make it much easier to manage. You know where things are, you know where backups live, and you don't have to depend entirely on one device always being available. Another interesting feature here is the use of local AI for photo search. And this is where the product starts to feel a bit more smarter than just being a box that stores data. Instead of manually digging through thousands of images, you can search by objects or scenes, things like beach, dog, birthday, sunset, and so on. That makes old photo libraries far more useful, and especially the ones that start getting large. The important part, though, is that this AI processing happens on the device itself. That means the search and organization features aren't necessarily relying on sending everything off to a public cloud service for processing. And for a lot of people, that will be one of the biggest selling points. Convenience is great, but convenience with a bit more privacy and ownership is usually a better combination. There's also a broader lifestyle angle to products like this. Not everyone wants to become a storage nerd, and frankly, most people shouldn't have to. What they want is a system that quietly protects their memories and important files in the background. That's really the promise here. Something simple enough that normal people can use it, but useful enough that it solves a very real modern problem. Because running out of phone storage isn't just annoying anymore, it affects how we capture and keep our lives. And once you start thinking about it that way, the value becomes clearer. This isn't only about storage capacity, it's about reducing dependence on a single phone, reducing dependence on recurring cloud upgrades, and building a more reliable home for your digital life. For families, it can be a useful way to keep memories safer. For content-heavy users, it can be a more practical archive. For anyone tired of juggling full storage notifications, it can simply make everyday life less annoying, and that's probably the easiest way to think about the Synology BeeStation Plus. It's not trying to be a complicated enthusiast product, it's trying to be a practical answer to a problem that a lot of people already have. So if your phone is overflowing with photos, your cloud storage bill keeps creeping up, or you just want more control over your personal files, the BeeStation Plus feels like a pretty sensible middle ground between convenience and ownership. Because at the end of the day, memories matter, important files matter, and relying on one phone or one subscription to hold all of it together probably isn't the best long-term plan.